Of course, we all want to have a killer summer, and whether you're out in the pasture, you're out on the trails, or you want to get out on area lakes, you have to make sure your equipment works right. You want to kill this summer? Find an assassin. Matter of fact, side-by-side assassins. Take a look.
We're a one-stop shop. We do everything here. We work on anything from Hondas to Arctic Cat, Yamaha, Kawasaki. We work on dirt bikes, four-wheelers, side-by-sides. We do mowers, commercial and residential, trimmers. We work on go-karts, golf carts, you name it, small engines. One of our specialties is we work on two-stroke Sea-Doos, something nobody around here works on them anymore. They don't work on them. So we also work on new Sea-Doos. We do insurance jobs for several insurance companies around. Custom modifications, from mild to wild, we do it all. I've been doing this almost 10 years. I've started in my garage, working full time and doing this on the side. Plus I've gone to some schools. We do anything from an oil change to a full-on build. We do, there's a lot of companies around that do, reman engines. Well, we take your engine, we sit down with you, figure out your end goals with your motor, and we build it to your specifications. You get your motor back with our 1-year guarantee. Like I said, anything from an oil change to a full-on drag bike, as you see here. If it's got a small motor on it, we can fix it. I've got several good techs, Tom and Josh over there. Tom's our service manager. He does all our insurance claims. Our framework, like as instance that one, we're straightening a frame on it. It got, it rear-ended another machine. Josh is our electrical engineer. He does a lot of our electrical work. Brent, which isn't here, he does a lot of our custom motor builds. He's one of our high-end Honda guys. He knows Hondas in and out. He races professionally and all that. Unlike a lot of the dealers, you may deal with one guy the next day, or one guy that day, and then another guy the next day. They have my personal contact information. They deal with me from beginning to end. If they have any questions at all, I'm the face of the company. They're dealing with me directly. We're with you, the whole step of the way. If you got questions, you can call us. We tell you from beginning to end what's going to happen, what we're going to do, and take your feedback on what you want to happen. We got some guys that just want basic stuff, and we got other guys that want a full-on, sand drag build. They want custom cages. They want, lift kits, wheels and tires, light bars, stereo systems. From anything involving a side-by-side or four-wheel, we do. Customer service is a wonderful thing. I'm highly driven towards customer service, because any result, that's what pays my bills. They take care of me, so I'm going to take care of them. We are in the middle of an expansion. We're building another 40x40. We're adding a dyno, brand new dyno jet, new lobby. It'll be a 100% dedicated dyno shop. It's going to be something where we allow our customers to come in. Say you got a circle track car. A lot of dynos around here will not let you tune on your own equipment. We're going to provide you with that service, box full of tools, along with our help and our knowledge to get you done, get you through that. We do anything from a scooter, drag bike, drag car, side-by-side, foiler. It's a dedicated dyno for that. The best way is coming out of Stratford, take 00, like you're coming towards Wild Animal Safari. You'll turn right over the railroad tracks. You'll see a Wild Animal Safari, that's Safari Lane. Turn left. We're 1.5 miles on the right-hand side. Anybody from just a basic oil change on a mower to a complete engine build, overhaul, whether it's race or just a factory overhaul, we do it all and give everybody the same guarantee. We're on Google, we're on Facebook, and then you can always personally reach me from my phone, 417-827-4851.
So whether you need an oil change, you need to make sure your lawnmower is running properly, or you have a few skiers you need to tow, check out Side by Side Assassins. Summer Extravaganza. We'll be right back after this.